In today's fast-paced world, where time seems to be an elusive commodity, busy professionals often find it challenging to prioritize their health and maintain a nutritious diet. However, taking care of your well-being and fueling your body with wholesome food is vital for sustained energy levels and overall productivity. To help you strike a balance between a hectic schedule and healthy eating, we present 5 easy and delectable recipes specifically tailored for busy professionals. These meals can be prepared in under 30 minutes, using simple ingredients and minimal cooking techniques. By incorporating these recipes into your routine, you can enjoy delicious, nourishing meals without compromising on time or health. 1. Mediterranean quinoa salad. Embrace the flavors of the Mediterranean with this refreshing and protein-packed quinoa salad. Quinoa, a nutrient-rich grain, serves as the base, providing a wholesome source of plant-based protein and essential amino acids. To prepare the salad, cook quinoa according to package instructions and let it cool. Meanwhile, chop a variety of fresh vegetables such as cucumber, cherry tomatoes, red onion, and bell peppers. Combine the cooked quinoa and vegetables in a bowl and toss gently. For added zest, drizzle a light dressing made of extra virgin olive oil, freshly squeezed lemon juice, minced garlic, and a medley of herbs like oregano or basil. This vibrant salad is not only visually appealing but also offers a delightful combination of textures and flavors. 2. 1-pan lemon herb salmon with roasted vegetables. When it comes to a quick and nutritious dinner option, look no further than this 1-pan salmon dish. Salmon, a fatty fish abundant in omega-3 fatty acids, provides numerous health benefits, including brain function support and heart health promotion. Begin by seasoning fresh salmon fillets with lemon zest, a squeeze of lemon juice, fragrant herbs like dill or parsley, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Arrange the seasoned salmon on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Surround the salmon with an assortment of colorful vegetables such as bell peppers, zucchini, broccoli, and cherry tomatoes. Drizzle the vegetables with a touch of olive oil, and season with salt, pepper, and herbs. Roast everything in the oven until the salmon is cooked through and the vegetables are tender. This simple yet flavorful meal ensures a harmonious blend of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and an array of essential vitamins and minerals. 3. Veggie stir-fry with brown rice. Stir-fries are a go-to option for busy professionals seeking a nutritious and customizable meal. This recipe allows you to unleash your creativity while incorporating a variety of vegetables and flavors. Start by heating a tablespoon of vegetable oil in a wok or large skillet over medium-high heat. Add a colorful assortment of vegetables such as bell peppers, snap peas, carrots, mushrooms, and broccoli florets. Stir-fry the vegetables for a few minutes until they are slightly tender yet retain their crunch. Meanwhile, whisk together a simple sauce using low-sodium soy sauce, freshly grated ginger, minced garlic, a touch of honey, and a splash of rice vinegar. Pour the sauce over the stir-fried vegetables and toss until well coated. Serve the flavorful medley over cooked brown rice, which provides a hearty dose of fiber, complex carbohydrates, and a nutty taste. This versatile recipe can be adapted to your preferences and allows for endless combinations of colorful vegetables, making it an excellent choice for a quick and nourishing meal. 4. Speedy chicken fajitas. Transport your taste buds to the vibrant flavors of Tex-Mex cuisine with these speedy chicken fajitas. Combining lean protein, crisp vegetables, and zesty toppings, this dish provides a well-rounded and satisfying meal. Begin by slicing boneless, skinless chicken breast into thin strips. Heat a tablespoon of oil in a skillet over medium-high heat and add the chicken strips. Sauté the chicken until cooked through and slightly browned. Add sliced bell peppers and onions to the skillet and continue cooking until the vegetables are tender crisp. Season the mixture with a blend of spices such as cumin, chili powder, paprika, garlic powder, salt, and pepper, to infuse the fajitas with a burst of flavor. Serve the chicken and vegetables in warm tortillas, and top with fresh salsa, creamy guacamole, and a dollop of Greek yogurt for a healthier twist. These fajitas are not only delicious but also provide a balance of protein, fiber, and essential nutrients, making them an excellent choice for a satisfying and quick weeknight dinner. 5. Quick and nutritious pasta Primavera. Indulge in a comforting pasta dish without sacrificing your precious time with this quick and nutritious pasta Primavera recipe. By incorporating an abundance of vibrant vegetables, you can elevate the nutritional value of this classic dish. Begin by boiling your choice of pasta, such as whole wheat or gluten-free, until it reaches al dente perfection. While the pasta cooks, Heat a tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add an array of colorful vegetables such as cherry tomatoes, asparagus spears, sweet peas, and spinach leaves. Sauté the vegetables until they are tender yet still retain their vibrant colors. Season the mixture with minced garlic, a pinch of red pepper flakes, salt, and pepper for a burst of flavor. Once the pasta is cooked, drain it and add it to the skillet with the sautéed vegetables. Toss everything together until well combined. For an extra touch of freshness, squeeze some lemon juice over the pasta and sprinkle a generous amount of grated Parmesan cheese. This recipe offers a well-rounded combination of carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals, allowing you to savor a comforting and nutritious meal in no time. With these 5 easy and healthy recipes specifically designed for busy professionals, you can effortlessly incorporate nourishing meals into your hectic schedule. By focusing on quick preparation, simple ingredients, and minimal cooking techniques, you can save time without compromising on taste or nutrition. From the refreshing Mediterranean quinoa salad to the one-pan lemon herb salmon with roasted vegetables, the veggie stir-fry with brown rice, speedy chicken fajitas, and the quick and nutritious pasta primavera, these recipes offer a diverse range of flavors, textures, and nutrients. By prioritizing your well-being and embracing these recipes as part of your regular culinary repertoire, you can make healthy eating a seamless part of your busy lifestyle, ensuring sustained energy, enhanced productivity, and overall wellness.